So recently on the trail, I had a center pin break on my leaf spring on the driver's side, doing some trail maintenance and rock crawling. And at any rate, my center pin is only a 5/16 diameter. Technically, they're only required to keep the spring pack compressed and located on the leaf spring perch. On the axle. But I'm going to be upgrading these to a 3/8 grade 8 bolt, just so that if stuff starts getting a little wonky and my U-bolts, which are going to get replaced, start to move around, that 3/8 grade 8 bolt should be able to handle a little bit of stuff before I have to torque them down and get it caught. We're going to use the internet, and the internet tells us that for some reason a masonry bit with its beveled head here can, with carbide, brazed carbide surface, can handle drilling through spring steel. So I picked up a couple at the local hardware store, and we're going to give it a shot. So here I've got my handy dandy Harbor Freight drill press. It's a cheapy model, and the internet on the web tells me that I need to run it at the slowest speed. And I know that just so that I don't generate much heat and I can really bore through that 5/16 clearance hole and step it out to a 3/8. So I've got my drill press set up to the lowest RPM setting, which is 300 RPM, with the large pulley belt on the bottom and the drive pulley on the smallest, and then running over here to the idler. So I've got the slowest belt speed, or the largest amount of reduction. That's pretty slow. And you can see Harbor Freight drill press has a little bit of run out. It's not precision. Not precision. Wear your safety glasses. These are my favorite. These are from Lyft. I get these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the video. But basically, they cover the whole face. They wrap around. They're comfortable. Actually, surprisingly light for how big they are. And they're strong as crap. Like butter. Drilled through that like butter. Look how clean that hole is. And so I just drilled through this pack in about 2.5 minutes, going really slow, using masonry bit. That's all it took. And stepped up from 5/16 to a 3/8, like butter.